y'all, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, hey, and if you are a returning subscriber or you've seen the last few videos, welcome back. So I said in my last video that I was going to do a Morphe unboxing, right? So here's what happened. I recorded the unboxing, but I really did not like the way the video turned out. So I'll tell you what I got, but it won't be an unboxing. Is that cool? Okay. Although that won't be an unboxing, we do have something else to unbox. I got the Fenty Mystery package or Mystery Box or whatever you want to call it. So first we're going to go over all of the things I got from Morphe, and then we're going to get into this box. Alright, so first from Morphe, I got the Morphe Vacay mode brushes, and this is just a set of I think 12 or 13 different brushes. I did use one or two of them already. So it's 3 face brushes and then, no, it's 12 brushes. So 3 face brushes and then 9 shadow brushes. I also got the James Charles shadow brushes, which is really cute. It also comes in this like, let me close this up, this pouch here. Here it is, James Charles and Morphe. I didn't use any of these yet. This comes with, I believe, 13 brushes. So I'm excited to use these. I also recorded a look for you all yesterday, and I didn't like how any of it came out. So what I'm gonna do is I will be doing that entire look over, like the same look, everything. But yeah, that's for that video. I also got 3 palettes. I got the Jeffree Star and Morphe collaboration. Ooh. Sorry about that, y'all. So I got this. Very, very pretty. I didn't use this one as of yet. I will. I just didn't use it yet. So I got this one. I don't know why I want to keep it in this packaging. I know eventually I'm gonna get tired of like doing this. I'm actually really tired of doing it now. But I want it to just stay pretty. I also got the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is what I used in the video I recorded for you all. So this one has been used already, and when I do the look again, I'll be using this palette. Jaclyn Hill Volume 2. Here it is. I'm not even going to tell you what colors I use. Hopefully you can't tell from what I just showed you. I hope I'm not moving too fast either. I just really want to open this thing. And I also got the James Charles palette, which I'm really excited about. The only thing, I did have one complaint about this palette, and that's just that I'm sure everyone has this complaint that the names aren't on the, isn't in the palette. It's on this paper instead of inside the palette. Like, I want to be able to be like, okay, so now I'm going in with Playground. Like, I don't want to have to be like, yeah, I'm going in with that sort of blue shade. Like, I wish that I was like, I don't know. I just really wish that the names were in the palette, but it's all good. Most likely I'll probably like keep this up here while I'm using it as a reference. I don't know, we'll see. But I really can't wait to use this one. In the last video that I recorded, the one that I didn't like, I said that first I'm going to start with the Jaclyn Hill palette, then I'm going to go into James Charles, and then I'm going to go into the Jeffree Star palette. So that's the order I'm going to do. So of course I have to go back and do Jaclyn Hill, but it's all good. It is all good. We are going to have some fun. Next I got the Morphe finishing powder. I got this in the color Filter 10. And I like this. It really goes well over my contour. When I do a little bit too much sometimes, or I want to really define contour or cheekbone, I go over with this now. And it really softens it out so there's no harsh line. Next, I got the Morphe Equalizer Primer. I'm gonna be honest, I used it yesterday and I wasn't a fan just because I like a matte look, and this did not give me a matte look. My face was very, very oily and very dewy, but it says that there's no oil in it. So what I'm gonna do when I try it again, I'm going to wash my face and just strip my face of all the oils, and then I'm gonna go and use this primer. But first impression, I did not like it, but I will try it again. Next, I got the Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist, as well as the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I was running out of setting mists, so I just picked these up. And I also got the p.louise and base Rumour 1. I got some matte lipsticks. I got 2, but I can't find the other one right now. When I do, I will show you all it. Maybe I don't think I'll be able to find it right now, just because I'm organizing my makeup at the same time, so I don't think I'll be able to find it right now. But I got it in the color Independent, as well as Goosebumps. Goosebumps is this really, really beautiful brown color. I actually have it on like on the outside, just line my lips with it. And that's it for Morphe. I believe I got some more things. Can't remember everything right now, but that is it, and let's move on to Fenty. All right, so here it is. I have it open. Fenty. Ooh. Okay, so this, I'm not even gonna look at the other stuff yet, but of course I had to get this. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I forgot I got this mirror. This just made me extremely happy. I forgot I ordered this. I was only thinking about the mystery stuff. Okay, this is so cute. I love how it comes. Look at that. That is adorable. Okay. Oh shoot, I'm ripping the box. Whatever. Ooh. Okay. Oh my. Can you see it? I done dirtied the mirror already, but look at it. I'm here for it. I love this. Why does everything she creates so beautiful? Like, I love this. Y'all will see me like this all the time now. I will not do this. So when applying makeup, I will not do this. Okay. Let's get into the mystery stuff. All right. I'm gonna just grab one thing and close my eyes and just go in and grab, okay? It feels like everything is in one. Okay, so I'm gonna just pull it all out. Okay. All right, so there's 4 things. I'm seeing a shadow. Okay, so let's take this out first. So this is the Longwear Pencil Eyeliner. So this was altogether the Fenty for just the mystery box. I believe it was about $35 or $40. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I like this. I like how. Wait. Okay, so this is definitely, you know, here for it. Eyeliner. Okay. I was saying I needed one, so this is perfect. So this is the Fly Pencil Longwear Pencil eyeliner in the color Cause I'm Black, period. Cause I'm black. You feel me? Next is Invisipink. Oh, so I have this. I just have the travel size. This is the full version now. This is the Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer. So now I have the whole thing. I used it, but I don't really know how to use it. So once I'm gonna watch some videos and see, because when I first tried it, it was very sticky. It felt almost like glue, and it just didn't go with the way I was applying my shadow. So I think I was probably using it wrong, most likely. Next is the mascara. Now I knew this was in the box. I knew this was there. So I'm excited about that. This is the Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. This makes me so happy. Look at it. Look at it. Yes. Yes. Wonderful. Yes. Okay. And last we have the Snap Shadow Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette. And this is the 6 Smoky Eye. Ooh. This is number 6. Okay. Now that I have one, I'm gonna have to convince myself to not get the rest. Y'all, look at it. Look at it. Do y'all see that? Can y'all see it good? Let me block my face out. Y'all see that? Ooh. Should we do a swatch? I want to do a swatch. Okay. So this is a really nice... That black is beautiful. Look at the black. Oh, you can't see it. It's like a really dark charcoal black. That joint is so rich. All right, next we're gonna try this. Do they have the colors in the back? Okay, so the black one is called That Deep. It's a question mark. That Deep. Next one is called Chestnuts. Okay. Chestnuts is a really nice brown. Can you see? Then we have You Up. You know, them late night texts. You up or not? It's like a really nice champagne. I'm definitely have to get the rest of these. I hope you can see. This one is called Second Date. Ooh. It's like, I don't know. Oh my, it's like glittery, purpley goodness. Glittery, purpley goodness. I'm doing a bad job at this swatch, but we're gonna get it together. I'm gonna get it together. One day we're gonna get it together. Next is Patty Cakes. I like that. Patty Cakes. Can't really see it on my skin. It's up here above the black. This one here. Oh, I have to put some of that p.louise down. Okay, and now we are trying. What's this one? Tan lines. Where am I gonna put tan lines at? Tan lines looks a little ashy on my skin, but I'm sure that's just because you can't even see it. Here's tan lines. I'm sure that's just because I'm ashy. But here it is. Here is everything. Thank you so much, Fenty Beauty, for giving us all these goodies for $40. Like, come on now, Fenty. This was great. This was wonderful. Yeah. Got a liner, mascara, primer, and shadow. I'm here for it. And I might have to stop myself from ordering the rest of these, but why? Why? Why am I gonna stop myself? I'm not. So that's that. I know, as I said, I am late with all of these getting all of these shadows, but let me tell y'all, and this is gonna be a real conversation we finna have. When these palettes came out, I couldn't afford them. I'll be honest with you. I couldn't afford the James Charles palette, and it's not that I couldn't afford it. It was just a time in life where I had to put my money in the right places, and unfortunately this beautiful makeup palette or any of the palettes that I got was not the right place. And so, you know, being a mom, being a wife, etc., like, y'all know, like, when money is short, we ain't going out and buying makeup, period. But let me tell you, it is never too late to get what you want, even if it's not in anymore, even if people aren't raving about it or raging or whatever the case may be. It is never too late to go out and get what you want. And I will say, they're on sale right now. I don't know if the James Charles palette is on sale anymore, but the eyeshadow brushes, when I got them, they were 40% off. I placed an order. I placed a big order. I got the palette. I got the James Charles palette. I got the Jeffree Star palette. I got all the Jeffree Star. I also got the sponge trio. And I got all this stuff because they were on sale. And then that same night, I get an email from Morphe saying that they're having a 40% off sale on his brushes, and then there was a sale on the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I just went and snatched it all. Like, make sure you catch the sales, make sure you get what you want. That's all I can say. Make sure you catch them. Like, and while I'm sitting here pretty looking in my Fenty Mirror, I will be proud to say that I got all this on sale, and I'm very happy. Because I seen that this Jeffree Charles, the James Charles palette comes for what, like $30, $40, $35, $40. I spent like $20 on it, $25 on it. So I saved a good $6 on that. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm very happy. I can't stop looking at it because I cannot wait to use it. Like, I'm extremely excited to just create some looks with you all. So that's that. That's the end of my rant. The end of me trying to uplift and motivate. So I can't stop. I can't help but to just look in this mirror because it's such a beautiful color. Like, Rihanna did that. Anyway, we're done for today. I will catch you all on Monday. I'll be doing a look on Monday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you thought of this video. We will be doing some more unboxings. Let me know if you guys like this. But I do have some more stuff that I've ordered that I want to show you all. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.